and colleagues, I, Shirley Philip, on behalf of ONGC Kerala team, welcome each one of you to this auspicious occasion of Onam celebration of 2025. Onam is an annual harvest festival celebrated by people of all religion, and it is one of the most beautiful and meaningful festivals. Before we start, I would like to introduce and acknowledge our esteemed senior ONGC Kerala team official. I would like to request Mr. M.B. Pillai to please come in front. Shri Jai Shankar sir, Mr. Manoj Rajan, Vinod Kumar sir, so they are truly the guiding force, the backbone of ONGC Kerala team, whose leadership and support has always inspired us. A big round of applause to all the team members. Sir, our ONGC colleagues eagerly wait for this day. Every year they look forward. Many of them often ask with excitement, when is the Onam celebration? Looking forward to the joy of festivities and especially the relishing traditional Kerala food which is served in banana leaf. From a humble beginning in 2000, with 10 people we started. Then next year increased to 50, 100, 200. This year we are celebrating the 25th year of Onam with 1,000 plus people joining us for the lunch. So this shows the enthusiasm all of us are having. People from Uran, Bava, Panvel, Meika Tower, 11 High, VP and MVP of course, all have given their contribution to be part of this function. So I now request all our key executives to please come forward for the lighting of the lamp before we start, sir. I request all our key executives, all L1s to please come along with our Kerala team members, Manoj sir, Vinod sir and MVP Pillai. Before we start any auspicious occasion, we start with the lighting of the lamp, sir. So I request you to please, sir, sab jan aisa baat we can start. Come on, let us give them a big round of applause so we can open this. Overcoming of darkness through light, sir, and a plentiful harvest through the rice set before you, sir. This is a paddy rice with which you have to fill. This is called para in Malayalam. You have to fill this till the brim, which brings prosperity to all the people and especially to ONGC. So I request all the elders to please put with one fold in that para. It should be filled to the brim, which has the traditional of abundance, prosperity and completeness. So the para, which is being filled to the brim, will always bring prosperity to all ONGCs. This is how we start our auspicious day. Thank you all, sir.
कभी मेरे को देखने का मौका नहीं मिला, जब भी आते थे ऐसी भीड़ होती थी थोड़ा से इस टाइम का मैं घुसते थे। आज पहले वाले
In the southern state of India, Kerala, Onam is celebrated as a festive regardless of religion, caste, creed and with passion throughout the state. This year, ONGC is celebrating in a very musical form. The program is being led by our ONGC choir team, where colleagues from different states have come together to sing the melodious Malayalam song. Also, we have, adding to the spirit, a group of our dynamic, spirited, energetic, vibrant women employees from all the work centers have gathered together to perform their traditional dance. So here we start. Anish, can we start? Okay, now you will see what is happening exactly